In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Claude Code for free in 3 simple steps. By the end, you will have a local coding assistant running on your machine with no paid cloud API required. We will install a llama. Download a capable local model, then install the Claude Code command line tool and point it to your local model. Start by heading to the Llama website and downloading the installer for your operating system. Choose the Mac, Windows, or Linux build that matches your machine. Run the installer and follow the prompts. On some systems you may be asked for administrator permission. Go ahead and allow it. After installation, reopen your terminal so the llama command is available. Llama runs a local service on your computer, which is what lets tools talk to the model without using the cloud. Next, open your terminal and download a coding-capable model with llama. Use a pull command to fetch the model you want. For example, you can run llama pull GPT-OSS or llama pull Gemma 2. The download can take a bit depending on your internet speed and the size of the model. So give it time to complete. If you are on a smaller machine, pick a lighter model. On a more powerful computer, you can try a larger one for better quality. When the pull finishes, the model is stored locally and ready to serve responses through llama. Now install and run Claude Code. You will need Node.js and npm available on your system. In your terminal, install the CLI globally by running npm install -g at symbol Anthropic AI/Claude Code. When that completes, follow the official Claude Code documentation for any advanced setup details specific to your platform. The key configuration step is to direct Claude Code to your local llama instance instead of a paid cloud endpoint. In the CLI's configuration or startup options, set the base URL to your local llama server, typically localhost 11434, and set the model name to the one you pulled, such as Gemma 2 or GPT-OSS. Confirm that the CLI is using your local model by starting a coding session and asking it to explain or generate a simple function. You should see it respond without prompting for any API keys. That's it. If responses feel slow or memory is tight, try a smaller model if you need better quality. Try a larger one and give it a bit more time to process. Keep your tools updated to benefit from performance and compatibility improvements. Thanks for watching.